We got an iPhone 7 with a completely dead and no charging sign. The customer tells us that the iPhone failed to power on after inserting the charger before the phone is fully functional. The story is same on 12 Pro Max. Both iPhone is dead after inserting the same data cable. Why did this happen and what is the prevention for that issues? I will mention in the video. Keep watching. After hearing that, you never regret spending time watching this video. If such thing happen to you, then most of the cases are hardware issues. Let's disassemble iPhone first. Such case must have an issue with your data cable and heating atmosphere. If you use low quality data cable, then such happening risk was increased by 100 times. So, I always recommend using original accessories or Apple certified data cable for charging. This is really worth it, always remember. If you invest so much in your iPhone, why use low quality data cables which slowly kill your iPhone? In such cases, the fault was from transistor, also known as USB protection IC. Let's remove it. Let's complete our job. Clean the pin carefully. All pins must be flat and shiny. Put some flux. Put the new IC in the correct position. Cool down PCB for 5 minutes. Let's check whether the problem was fixed or not. After doing all, now the iPhone is start charging, means the problem was fixed. If you visit us first time, don't forget to subscribe and like. It's me Akash. Peace out.